Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool candlestick telephone, rotary dial, with a bell box, and this is Tom's equipment from VA, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool equipment. Now we want to run through a little bit about what needs to be done, and we're going to start with the bell box. We want to troubleshoot the bell. We want to go through the solenoids, and we need to make any repairs and also adjust the bell, and we're going to be installing a bell circuit. We also want to install a dual modular port somewhere in this area of the bell box. Makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. You can use the candlestick with the bell box, or you can use them standalone. So we'll get those issues taken care of. Now we've troubleshooted a little bit, and we know that the receiver capsule, which is original, a metal diaphragm type receiver capsule, it is working at this time. So we're going to go ahead and use that in the conversion. It seems to have enough audio. We also want to replace the cloth cord for the receiver capsule, so we'll take care of that issue. We also want to install a 7-foot cloth line cord for the candlestick telephone. We're also going to install an electronic amplified transmitter that we design and build here at the shop. So this unit will have plenty of transmit power. We're going to go through the rotary dial. It will need to be cleaned, oiled, and adjusted, and we want to make sure that it's wired properly. We also want to check all the wiring in the base of the candlestick telephone. We want to wire this unit the way we want it wired to work the way we want it to work. And we'll be going through the hook switch for the candlestick telephone. So we will go through everything on the candlestick telephone and bell box while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on these units. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool equipment, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair and conversion of this really cool bell box and candlestick telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, I also want to mention that we have an amplifier connected up to the inside of the base of the candlestick telephone, and that's so that you can hear the audio from a receiver on the final checkout. And I have an amplifier backed by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the candlestick telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send the bell box a ring cycle like you were getting a call. So we'll start that. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We're going to go ahead and walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary dial now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the transmitter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and set our candlestick down. Now that's an amplified transmitter that we design and build at the shop, and I'm pretty far away from this candlestick telephone, and you can actually see on the analyzer that it's picking my transmit up. So this candlestick telephone will have plenty of transmit power. We can go ahead and hang our receiver capsule up. Now that we know that the bell box is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That'll give us a line out, totally take the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call the time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Monday, February 4th. The current time, 7:05 p.m. and the temperature, 41 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can go ahead and call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our receiver up. Now that we know that this really cool bell box and candlestick telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return this equipment to Tom. I'm sure this bell box and candlestick telephone is going to look great wherever it's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.